Hey guys, I'm Havil back again with a really short tutorial on how to hard reset your Nokia 7.2. In my previous video, I've shown you how to do it on Nokia 8.1, and this process a bit different on this one, so that's why I've decided to make this video. So how to do it? It's very simple. For this device, you don't have to connect it with the USB cable. You don't have to charge it. You just have to switch off the device, turn off the device, and after that what you have to do, simply press the power button and the volume down button together, okay, like this, and wait. And once you see this Android logo, release both the buttons. Okay, now what you have to do, use your volume down button, and you have to see here, okay, you should get this. You have to click on this volume down button, and once you see this recovery mode, what you have to do, simply tap the power button, okay, and then you will see the factory reset icon on the screen. You just have to wait for that. Right now, this is the command prompt screen that you will get. Now what you have to do, simply press the power button and just click once the volume up button. Okay, that's it. Now the further process is same as what I have shown you in my previous video. Now what you have to do, simply use the volume rockers to select this option. Let me show you this. Wipe data factory reset here. Okay, so select this option and click power button. After that, the process is same. Now you have to make sure that you have the Google ID and password, so that you can set up your device as a new. But if you forget your password as well as your Google ID and user ID or password, then it will be difficult. So make sure that before doing this, first thing, you have to back up all your important data, plus you must have Google ID and password with you to do this. After that, you just have to press this power button, and the wiping of data will start, and you just have to wait. Okay, do not interfere, do not interrupt this process. Wait patiently, and unless you see the home screen, do not click anything. Okay, so please make sure that you have backed up your data, you have Google ID and password. So that's very simple. So this is how you can hard reset your Nokia 7.2. So I hope that it will help you guys, and if it does, do subscribe to watch more videos. Till the next video, cheers.